Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Model Car Cup Series. I have been introduced to an awesome new YouTube channel. Let me share it with you. Most of you know that I'm a huge Petty Racing fan. And as someone who turned wrenches on real race cars myself, I have the greatest respect and admiration for the genius that Maurice Petty had in engine building and everything he did on those cars, as well as Dale Inman. Wow. Great respect and hats off to him. I don't know how I did not know about this YouTube channel before now. My buddy Robbie sent a link over to this, and I was ashamed I didn't know about it earlier. It's called Petty Brothers Racing, and it's Maurice's three boys. As you see here in this picture, you've got Richie on the left, Mark in the middle, and Timmy on the right. And these guys, this channel is awesome. I have binge watched most of these episodes about 2 times. And check out their shorts as well. They are awesome. They've had just to sit around the table talks with Travis Owens, Chad Taggart. Let's see. I think it was Mike Powell, Richie Bars, and Roger Wasson. Now, Roger is from Springfield, Missouri, where I went to school, actually, and I think Roger lives there in Springfield now. But this is an awesome channel, guys. There is so much they cover. I'm not going to give it away. I want you to go over and check them out. I think they've got just shy 500 subscribers. The channel, I don't know if I mentioned, but I think it was started in November. Absolutely outstanding. They just had Roy Hill, the drag racer, who got his first engines right there at Petty Enterprises. Awesome stories these guys tell. Great history. Even the story of the window net, all of that stuff, how that came to be, and triple stitched or something like that in a shoe store down in Randleman. I mean, it's just great stories. But I wanted to share this with you. Some of you may already know about it, but if you don't, head over Petty Brothers Racing. This is awesome. Give them a sub. Let's get them up to 1,000 real quick. I think they're going to get there on their own, but whether you're a Petty fan or not, from a racing history, they cover a thing on there about the Pettys and Allisons, the history of Petty racing helmets, things like that. I mean, there's just great stuff there, and it's really worth it. So, guys, get over there. Show them some love. Give them a thumbs up or two. Leave them a couple of comments. I'm really enjoying it myself. Thought I'd share that with you. Okay, guys. God bless. I'll see you in the next video.